Today I'm going to show you how to make zesty fresh chimichurri. It's super easy and it's packed with flavor. Start by washing some parsley. Then you're going to pat it dry with a towel and chop it up finely. Next, you will add the parsley to a jar. Doesn't matter what kind of jar, just any little jar, something small. Now you're going to fill the jar about halfway full with olive oil, which is about half a cup. If you're making more portions, just use a little more. Now you're going to add about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. And if you're using more olive oil, just use a little bit more vinegar to compensate. Next, I topped off my jar with a little bit more olive oil to fill it up. Then I added a half teaspoon of dried oregano. Next, I ground some fresh pepper and some salt. So give it a little taste here and see if it's how you like. Now we stir it up and mix it, so it should be looking a little bit like this. Next, I peel and mince some garlic cloves. And garlic is so healthy for you. I always try to cook with it. So get it really finely minced and add it to the jar like this. Now give it another good stir. Next, I minced up some white onion. Then I add it to the jar like this. Give it another good stir and mix it up. Okay, now we're done. It's that simple and it should look like this. Next step is to put that puppy in the fridge. Here's where you can save time and make this ahead of time. And then whenever you're ready to eat it, just pull it out of the fridge about 15 minutes ahead of time and you'll be good to go. And everyone's gonna love it, and this is great in helping the digestion of meat dinners. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks so much for watching.